welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert text to audio on CapCut PC. So you are going to select text here and add in your default text, and you might know this from like well, not very popular now, but the Bentley Mega Chippy. It was pretty trending, but if you want to make your own jingle or whatnot, just type in whatever you want. I'm just going to go with default text, it's fine. Then you are going to select text to speech, and you are going to select either the kawaii vocalist, kids vocalist, or female vocalist. I'm not sure if you can get, you know what, just like select it, and then once you've selected it, select start reading, and it's going to generate kind of like a song if you choose the vocalist one. If you choose the other one, it won't generate a song, it will just generate like a text. But this is what the end product will be. Don't know if I can play it, but you'll figure it out later on your own when you do this. It's really easy. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!